Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin Edge 540 to Strava. First, make sure you have both the Garmin Connect and Strava apps downloaded and installed on your smartphone. You will also need to have active accounts for both services. Finally, confirm that your Garmin Edge 540 cycling computer is already paired and syncing with your Garmin Connect application. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process. Now let's link the accounts. Open the Garmin Connect application on your phone. From the main screen, locate and tap the More option, usually found in the bottom right corner. Next, select Settings from the menu that appears. Within the settings, you will find an option called Connected Apps. Tap on this and then choose Strava from the list of available applications. This step initiates the connection. After selecting Strava, you will be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions for data sharing. Please review these and tap Agree to proceed. The app will then redirect you to a Strava login page. Enter your Strava account credentials and login. Finally, you must grant permission for Garmin Connect to upload your activities to Strava. This authorization is essential for automatic syncing of your rides and workouts. Once authorized, return to the Garmin Connect app and confirm that Strava is now listed under your connected applications. To ensure everything is working correctly, record a brief test activity on your Garmin Edge 540. After saving, it should automatically appear in your Strava feed within a few minutes. If you encounter any issues, try restarting your phone and Garmin device, or disconnect and reconnect the accounts through the Garmin Connect settings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.